ஸோ ஹலோ கைஸ், வெல்கம் டு த்ரீ சிஸ்டர் குக்கோஸ். நான் தான் அவங்க ஆதித்யா. நம்ம இன்றைக்கி எங்கே இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா BAK இந்தியா. இவங்க என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணுறோன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நார்மல் கேக்கு, எக்லெஸ் கேக்கு, ஐஸ் கேக்கு, ஃபவுண்டன் கேக்ஸு, கிறிஸ்மஸ்க்கு வந்து கேக் பண்ணுவாங்க ஹைட்டாக, அதெல்லாம் கூட பண்ணுறாங்க. சின்ன பசங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கிற மாதிரி அந்த கேக் கூட பண்ணுறாங்க, எல்லாம் பண்ணுறாங்க. நம்ம போய் இன்றைக்கி என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம், அண்ட் அதை டேஸ்ட்டும் பண்ணி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேங்களா, வாங்க போகலாம். வெயிட் a செகண்ட், முக்கியமான விஷயம் சொல்ல மறந்துட்டேன். இவங்க வந்து ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல் கேக் பேக்கர். வாங்க இப்போ போய் பார்க்கலாம். கம் ஆன். So hi ma'am.
Hi.
Tell us about yourself and your business, ma'am.
Hi, this is Fatima Najmi. I'm a founder of Royal Cakes and Baking Classes and co-founder of Bake India. We undertake orders of cakes, cupcakes, cookies, customized cakes like wedding cake and all. I wanted to share my knowledge. So I have started my baking classes 10 years ago. Our baking classes has helped many to start the professional baking. So we have so many baking courses like from basic to advanced level.
Okay. Bake பண்ணி காட்டுறீங்களா?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
So we are making Christmas theme eggless red velvet cake. See, we have taken a large bowl. In that I have added all the wet ingredients, that is 60 ml butter, 200 ml milk maid, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 75 ml water. Okay, so you have to take a large bowl. Okay, then this is beater, mix it like this. Okay, and in the small bowl I have taken 140 grams of maida, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Okay, you have to mix the dry ingredients separately and wet ingredients separately. Okay, then after that you have to mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So first you have to just mix it like this, then you have to start the beater. We have to add the color we are using sugar in super red color. This will give you the bright super red color. Okay, this is gel color. This is 6-inch diameter cake mold. Okay, so now we have to grease the mold. This is butter paper. So take the butter paper like this and put your palm on the mold. Okay, and you have to cut it like this. Spread oil or normal cooking oil. You have to spread it on the edges also. Put it like this and spread oil again on the butter paper. Alright, now this batter, just mix it using spatula. Now we have to preheat the oven and we'll keep it for baking. Just tap it. Now we have to preheat the oven. We always keep it on 180 degrees, lower mode function, and we'll just preheat it. Okay, just for 2-3 minutes. Then we will keep the cake, and we will keep for lower rod function for 15 minutes and top and bottom function for 20 to 25 minutes. So our oven is hot, it is preheated, so we can keep the cake and we are keeping for 15 minutes. See, one dot represent 5 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 5 minutes we have kept it for lower rod function, and after the beep we will keep it on top and bottom function for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, it depends. During my journey, I have realized the need of one-stop solution, like right from the ingredients to packaging. So I have started a new venture, that is Bake India. It is in Ilangu Nagar, Coimbatore, and we supply all over India. Now we provide offline as well as online courses also.
Oh, courses. Okay, okay.
And cakes orders we take like Coimbatore based and surrounding, like Mettupalayam, Tirupur, Pollachi,
Okay.
Erode.
Okay.
Now we have to start making the cream of red velvet. So this is 1.5 cup of whipped cream. Okay, 1.5 cup of whipped cream. We already whipped the cream and kept it ready. Okay, now you have to use 3 tablespoons of Delecta cream cheese. I am using Delecta, but you can use Dairy Craft or Delecta, whatever available with you, you can use. So problem with Delecta is it will be in 1 kg packet. So you can use Dairy Craft also. It is available in 250 grams packet also.
Okay.
So see, this is little thick. Okay, so we have to make it soft. So you have to heat it in microwave for 10 seconds.
Just 10 seconds.
Only for 10 seconds. Don't
Okay.
heat it for long time. Only for 10 seconds. So this much cream cheese we will be using, and we just heat it in microwave for 10 seconds. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We'll add the cream cheese and we will add half cup to 3/4 cup icing sugar. Okay, so see, this taste is up to you. Like if you want more of cream cheese, like cheesy taste, if you want, you can add more cream cheese. If you want like a little bit more creamy, then you can add more of whipped cream. All right. Now this cream we will be using in the layering of the cake. Alright, so this is the cake which we have baked it. Now this is our turntable. Okay, this is the turntable. This is cake board. Okay, so this is 6-inch diameter of the cake mold. Okay, so we have to use 8-inch cake board. Alright, so
Okay.
2-inch more than the mold. Alright, now see, this is the cake cutting knife. Okay, you have to hold it like this, remove it, butter paper, just remove it like this. And this cake is uneven, right? So we have to make it even. Just cut it from the top. Okay, and this, put it in the mixie and you can make the cake crumbs. Okay, so for these cake crumbs you can use it in the decoration of the cake. So these are the cake crumbs. Okay, you can store it in the fridge, and whenever you want to decorate the red velvet cake, you can use these crumbs.
Even you can use on any cake, no?
Any cake, yeah. Okay, now see, you have to put your palm like this. Okay, hold your cake cutting knife straight. You have to cut the cake from the center of your knife, from the
Okay.
middle. Okay, hold it straight. Don't hold it like this, otherwise the layers will be tilted. It
Okay.
will not be even. So you have to hold it like this and cut it. You have to just slice it. Don't pull it like this. You have to just slice it. See. Okay, see, the layer is even.
Okay.
Now the second layer. So you have to cut it from the long knife.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the last layer. Now this is sugar syrup. Then you will ask how to make the sugar syrup. So you have to take a utensil, put 1.5 cup of water and 7 teaspoon of sugar and pinch of
7 teaspoons.
7 teaspoon of
Okay,
sugar
okay.
and pinch citric acid. Okay,
Okay.
just boil it little bit, just one boil, then switch it off.
Oh.
And once it comes on room temperature, then only you have to use it. Okay, so just see, you have to pour it. So why we are using sugar syrup? We have to use the sugar syrup because we are giving the moisture in the cake. Okay, see, you have to just pour it like this. Don't pour in the one side only, otherwise your cake will be soggy. And don't pour the less sugar syrup. If the sugar syrup is less, your cake will be dry, and if your sugar syrup is more, your cake will be soggy. So you have to spread it like this. And this is my icing palette. Okay, I generally use the angled one. Okay, now just take the cream cheese icing and you have to spread it like this. Another one, put it, just press little bit so that
Okay.
it will stick.
Oh, again we should pour ice.
Yeah, you have to pour the sugar
Sugar
syrup.
syrup.
Extra part, just take it out like this. Alright, now you have to cover, see, the wall of the cake. Okay, so you have to spread it here. Take it out.
The extra part.
Yes. Now it should be even from the top. Now this is crumb coating. You have to keep it in the freezer for 40 to 45 minutes. Then we will give another layer of cream, that will be the finishing touch. Okay.
How do you market, ma'am?
See, market basically from Instagram. For bakers, like Instagram is a retail shop.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to present a good picture. We have to post a good picture on Instagram. Like description should be good. Okay. And like we can post the reviews, and also with that we can get lot of orders.
Orders.
Yes.
Online orders.
And like baking business, no, it is spread word of mouth. Like
Okay.
if you get the cake and you like it, you will spread to another one, like your friends, your relatives. So it will be word of mouth, it will spread.
Okay.
This is the crumb coating, okay, which we have done. Don't keep on mixing the whipping cream. So you have to spread the whipping cream. On the border also.
Okay.
Okay, this extra part, just take it out like this, see. Okay, the top should be flat. Then only it will look nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Put the icing sugar inside this. Okay, so see, this will look like this. Then these are the fondant Christmas tree which I have made it and kept it ready. So we'll keep it like this.
எப்படி பண்ணியிருப்பாங்கன்னு பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம டேஸ்ட் பண்ணலாம் வாங்க. ரெட் வெல்வெட் கேக்கு இங்கே பாருங்கள். வெளியே வந்து ப்ளூ கலர் ஷேட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, உள்ளே வந்து ரெட் வெல்வெட்டு. டேஸ்ட் பார்க்கலாம் வாங்க. இது வந்து எக்லெஸ் கேக்கு வேறு லெவலில் இருக்குங்க. கேக்கு க்ரீம் வந்து ரொம்ப திகட்டலை. அப்புறம் வந்து மீடியமாக சுகர் இருக்குங்க. பர்ஃபெக்ட், எல்லாருமே சாப்பிட்லாங்க. இது ஸ்மால்லேருந்து பிக் எல்லாமே சாப்பிட்லாம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் இந்த வீடியோ. நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவை பார்க்கலாம். லைக், ஷேர் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப்.